Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky Whitehead, and today we're tackling a topic that often surprises people during and after divorce: the impact of divorce on your credit. Divorce brings emotional and logistical challenges, and one area that needs careful attention is your financial health, specifically your credit. Let's break down the reasons why divorce can affect your credit and how you can navigate the transition as smoothly as possible. One of the biggest issues that arises with divorce and credit is joint debt. If you and your spouse had joint accounts, whether a mortgage, credit card, car loan, you're both responsible for that debt, regardless of who actually made the payments. What this means is that your ex misses a payment and doesn't hold up during the financial bargain, your credit score can take a hit too. Even if the divorce decree specifies that only one party is responsible for paying off a specific debt, credit agencies don't recognize the divorce decrees. The creditor still sees both of you as accountable until the debt is fully repaid or refinanced in one person's name. This situation can get complicated very quickly, as each missed payment affects both parties' credit scores. The damage might seem small initially, but over time it can add up, especially if payments keep getting missed or if your ex defaults entirely. It's important to have a plan. You need a plan to manage or separate joint debts before finalizing a divorce to ensure that one person's missteps don't negatively affect the other. When going through a divorce, you'll want to work on separating those joint accounts. Start by listing all your shared accounts. So this will include mortgages, loans, credit cards. For credit cards, you can close the account entirely, or in some cases, transfer a portion of the balance to individual cards. If you're dealing with a mortgage, refinancing in one party's name is an option if they plan to keep the house. However, refinancing depends on income and credit, so it's crucial to confirm that the individual taking responsibility can qualify on their own. Once you've handled joint accounts, consider checking your credit report regularly. Divorce often brings about some financial surprises, and keeping an eye on your credit report can help you catch any discrepancies such as missed payments or outstanding debts that may have slipped through. Outstanding debts that may have slipped through the cracks during the separation process. Many credit monitoring services offer regular updates, which can be especially helpful during this transitional period. As you adjust to post-divorce life, establishing and rebuilding your credit independently is essential. This might mean opening a few new accounts in your own name if most of the previous accounts were shared. Building credit from scratch can also take time, so be patient and consistent. That is key here. Focus on maintaining low balances, making timely payments, and considering a mix of credit types, like a credit card and a small loan. That way it'll show responsible credit use. For some, the transition to a single income household may result in greater reliance on credit, which can affect your credit utilization ratio, which is an important component in your score. Keeping utilization below 30% of your total available credit is recommended to avoid lowering your score further. If finances are tight, look into various budgeting strategies, or consider consulting a financial advisor to create a plan for managing your resources without overusing your credit. Lastly, here are a few practical tips to help safeguard and improve your credit post-divorce. First, avoid co-signing loans with your ex or signing new joint agreements during the separation process. Next, make sure to remove your ex as an authorized user on any credit cards you intend to keep. Authorized users can make purchases without impacting their credit, but those charges affect your balance and can affect your score. Another tip is to start setting up an emergency fund. Divorce often brings unexpected expenses, and having a safety net can help you avoid relying heavily on your credit cards. Saving even a small amount monthly can make a difference in reducing future credit dependence. So to wrap things up, remember that maintaining a strong credit score during and after divorce requires proactive steps. Separating joint accounts, keeping an eye on your credit, and gradually rebuilding your independent financial profile can set you up for stability as you move forward. Divorce doesn't have to mean a major financial setback as long as you stay informed and prepared. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insight on navigating life's big transitions. See you next time.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.